Hey Siri, what should everyone do while watching my video?
Hit the subscribe button and the bell next to AJ170's name so you never miss a video.
Hey guys, what is up? This is AJ170 and today guys I'm going to be doing a quick video on the top 5 best games that are out on iOS. Well, technically I can't say they're out because one of them is yet to be released. So let's say inside the video the top 4 iOS games that are released, but in the title it's going to say top 5 games on iOS. The one that is about to come out that we're currently waiting on is Fortnite, and I have no idea when it is going to come out because once it comes out for the Apple ID testers, whether if they use Test Flight or in the App Store, if it's on Test Flight, I will find somebody that will be willing to give me their account info and I'll sign into it, download the IPA, thank them, sign out, and then send the IPA over to either App Valley or Nash, which is the creator of Tweakbox, and one of them will remove the flag on there that basically the error that pops up when you go to open it saying you need to sign into their ID, and he'll make it to where you're able to play it without being an actual beta tester. But if they make it to where it's in the App Store, they're more likely going to make sure that you have an actual code to enter in, which if that's the case, then that's really going to suck, because then I doubt there will be any way that will do it until final release, which could take a few months to even more than a year. So other than that, the other 4 games are currently out and you can get them. I believe all of them are... No. 2 of them cost money and the other 2 are completely 100% free. As far as I know, they're 100% free. I don't know about one of them because I haven't played it yet. I just know it's a good game because I have it on my Xbox. But, yeah. Anyways, can I get 170 likes? Also, if you guys are new, support the 170 and subscribe. So with all that said, I'm going to go ahead and meet you guys over on my iPhone now. Alright guys, so I am saving the best game for last. So if you want the best game that has ever been made, it is better than every single game ever made in the history of video games, that will be the last game inside of this video. Now the first one is PUBG Mobile. This is the official PUBG that is coming out on iOS soon. It is made by a company in China and they're currently developing. It is an open beta testing mode right now in China. If you guys want to play it, all you have to do is create a Chinese Apple ID. I have a video on how to do that. All you have to do is search up AJ170 Apple ID on YouTube and you should see how to create an Apple ID on there in case you guys are having trouble doing it. So if we look at that map right there, you can clearly see that that is the real PUBG map for those of you that have played PUBG either on Xbox or PC. So I think it's kind of funny. PUBG is coming out on everything except for PlayStation. Cough, cough. Fuck PlayStation. Cough, cough. So anyways, PUBG is a battle royale similar to Fortnite, but you don't build stuff like Minecraft. You just go around shooting people. Don't really know what else there is to say. So let me switch my actual thing over to the US store. I thought updating an app would do it, but sadly it didn't. So I'm going to have to install an app and then get the error. So I got the error, so let's go ahead and wait till it loads up in the US store. Now the next one is called Oddworld. I grew up playing this game, so this is personally one of my favorites. It was ported from the PlayStation 1 over to the iPhone and it is fully remastered. You can also get this on Xbox and PlayStation and on PC. Ignore the other 2 Oddworlds, I don't like those ones that much. It's the Oddworld New and Tasty that has really good graphics, especially for playing this on a phone. If we guys look at it right here, as you can see though, that's an actual in-gameplay picture of it, that first one. And as you can see, the graphics are actually good. It's just going to take a little bit of time to get used to the controls. But let me tell you a little bit about this game. That little green guy that's on the screen right there, his name is Abe. Abe is his race, or I think that's what you'd call it. His race is a Meduncan. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. But basically, he is a slave inside of a work factory. He was kidnapped and placed in there. And he gives you a story in the beginning of the game. And basically, he finds something out that is very, very bad. So he has to go and save all of the other Meduncans inside of the workplace and bring them to safety. And there's a big story plot to it. And it's actually a whole trilogy. It's like supposed to be 9 games long or something like that. I can't remember how it's supposed to go exactly. Definitely worth the $8. Otherwise, then you can go ahead and pay $20 on the Xbox or PlayStation. Now the next one is one that you guys are very familiar with. It is called Bullet Force. Bullet Force is really fun. It is a FPS, meaning first person shooter. Basically, if you take Call of Duty Black Ops 1 and the violence of Mortal Kombat and put them into one, and then have a 15-year-old make it, this is what you would get, alright? It is actually a really fun game. Most of the maps have good and equal layouts. Some guns are better than others, but normally you can just go and kick ass with every gun. It is really easy also because most of the people that play it are just pure trash. I normally go about 60 and 7 on most games of TDM. So now let's go ahead and go to the next one. This is the very last one, and it is clearly the best game of all. It is actually my desktop wallpaper on my laptop. It is the theme that is on my iOS device. If you guys look at the wallpaper and the animation, it is that. It used to be my lock screen, but I have actually changed it. And I actually own it on the Xbox One, but I started playing it on the phone. So if we actually look at here, here's the free one. The free one has the first episode. It is a 5-episode thing. The entire game will cost $13 if I did my math right. I'm not good at math, so don't quote me on that. But with this game, I feel like if I talk about what it's about, it will honestly ruin the game. I can't think of anything to say to it other than a few words without fully ruining the game experience for you guys. But basically, you're playing as Max Clawfield, which is the girl that is inside of the game icon right there. And if I remember correctly, she's 16 or 17 years old. I can't remember exactly. You're going to a private school called Blackwell Academy, and she's going there majoring inside of photography. She wants to grow up and be a professional photographer later on inside of her life. And basically what the game is it is a decision-making game. You're going to decide what she does when she does it. Now, you can control her and everything else. Don't worry, guys. Now, it does have free roam ability. You'll always be inside of a mission with an objective, but you can walk around and take hours if you wanted to talk to everyone in the game and do all of this stuff. Now, when playing this game, I recommend, if you're going to pay for this, either buy it on the Xbox or PlayStation or PC if you can. But if you can't and you can only play it on your phone, then yeah, that's the way to go. But I'd only recommend this to people who are mature and older gamers. And when I say mature, older gamers, are people who played a lot of games and actually play it to enjoy the game. If you're the type of person that just wants to, play a game, I'm just going to quickly speed run through the whole thing, don't play it. You're not going to enjoy it as much because you're not going to get dived into the story so much. Because when playing this game, you're going to feel like you're Max, or Max is a part of you. I don't really know which way it would be, but it's definitely one of those ways. And this game has actually broke me. It has made me cry multiple times, and even at one point it had me full out crying like a little baby. For example, if you were to kill a family member or somebody extremely close to me right in front of me and take that amount of crying, that's how this game had me at one point. There was snot everywhere, tears everywhere. I was just boo-hooing so loud. I'm surprised I didn't wake up my parents because it happened at night. But yeah, I would highly recommend this game. It's probably one of the best storylines I've ever seen, and I highly doubt I'll see another storyline that's anywhere as good. And yes, I've played The Last of Us, and I know that was a good game, but this game clearly tops it. After playing this game, that's changed me for the rest of my life. There's been times in the past I thought about, and it's made me rethink decisions I've made in my past. It's even made me rethink my future and the things that I want to do, and even made me rethink some decisions I've made now. But while playing this game, I've even went ahead and actually binge played it, which is the first time I've ever binged game before. And I played it for literally hours non-stop. I refused to eat and go to the bathroom until I got done with one of the episodes. It is just so addictive, and it's absolutely amazing. I would highly recommend this to anybody. But before I continue on and spoil the game, I'm going to end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and leave a thumbs up if you'd like to see more videos like this. And before I say I'm signing out, let me know in the comments if you guys would like me to start making modded maps for Minecraft again. Now, it's only going to be one map. It's not going to be like a whole series or anything. Don't worry, guys. The reason why I thought of this is because I started modding Minecraft on the Xbox One, making modded maps for it and stuff. And I came up with the idea to make a modded map for Minecraft on the iPhone and on the, what is it called? The Android version of Minecraft, or on the Windows 10 edition, where you guys can download the map and play it. It will be created inside the survival mode, but modded with blocks that aren't in the game that you're not supposed to have, and a bunch of other stuff. I can also make a video on how to make one like it yourself, but it won't have everything. It'll only be an inventory editor because I'm actually NBT editing the map too to add extra mods to it. There's really not much to do on the Windows. It's all on the 360 and PS3 version, sadly. But yeah, if you guys would like me to see that, go ahead and let me know in the comments. Came up with the idea because I originally started my channel as modded Minecraft maps that I made myself for the Xbox 360 a couple of years ago. I gained 25 subs in 1 week from it, and then I quit. And then a year later, I started making iOS videos. I've deleted those videos, so if you guys scroll all the way down, you won't find it. But I'm sure there's some database online that holds everybody's YouTube video, even if they're deleted. But yeah, this is AJ170 signing out. See you guys next time.